find them.
Hey! That's the thing! That's the thing that turned me into this! Mario, you gotta win this one!
Your journey is ending and your efforts are feeble. You will heal, you will fall with the rest of your people. Gaze into darkness, the fangs of submission. The hubris of paper leads only to perdition.
Can it, you twerp? Unfold me, you jerk! Even I, a pro villain, wouldn't do this kind of work.
Short-sighted and foolish, but to be expected. And now to my pup, your attention be directed. Impressive is it not, my perfect little pet? A pristine pedigree, the brightest I could get. It could sit, but shake, roll over and other things, but its most impressive tricks to hail the origami king.
Bah! That's your plan to sick your dog on Mario. He will bounce you and trounce you, believe me, I know.
You talk far too much, but I've already won. With your army in my palm, my conquest is done. Soon you will join the princess shaped into a perfect form. Soon all the world will bow, be bound by steel to a new norm. Soon hanged shackles lock your king, guns in my folded war. Soon those who dare defile my soul shall be no more. Patience, my pet. They will join the ranks of the folded soldiers soon enough.
As if I'd ever bow to you, you little runt! If I had my hands right now, I'd strangle you!
Bold words for the glorified meantime. It's only a matter of time until your resistance is quashed. Sick then. Faulty the chains and king all these name. You will bend all the same and submit to my reign. Staples will lock you in forms that I choose. With no princess to lead you, your kingdom will lose.
Now shut your dang pie hole, you yap on and on. But if I know my nemesis, he'd never be a pawn. You caught up my kid, even I'm not that mean. But the plumber will squash you, you purple drama queen. I know Mario, he's stubborn as a mule. He's gonna snap and hack your stupid office tool. For many, many games, I felt the hurt he brings, so I know he'd never hail the origami king.
You underestimate the power of my stapler spines. You'll be fastened and chastened, and the world will be mine. Its howls of the moon say you are out of time. You will not stand in the way of my vision sublime. Soon you will join the princess shaped into a perfect form. Soon all the world will bow, be bound by steel to a new norm. Soon hanged shackles lock your king, guns in my folded war. Soon those who dare